G'day, I'm Brad.
สวัสดีค่ะมทา
We're just heading to our mate's place, Bang.
Yes
He's doing some renovations to his house.
Yes
So we'll see what sort of work the tradesmen do in Thailand.
Yes
Don't need to be no rich hand. Everyone just needs a hand to hold on to.
Even though we've had a break in the rain, because as you probably know, it's a wet season here, Tar still needs an umbrella.
Sunny
She doesn't want the sun getting any part of her skin. Tara and I take great pleasure in thanking the Our Life Thai sponsors, Ronald, Rachel and Martin, Les and Z-Man.
Order Loong
He's older. Look at him, look
Go
how...
home He said go home
Go ban.
Go บ้านไปบ้าน
Bye ban.
He said repair the house เดี๋ยวไปดูshe tell us to go home to look at about he's repair the house he's working
Gang mark.
เก่งมาก
Right. Well.
เร็ว
Bang's house is just across the road from the market, really. So we'll just take a wander over there. Try not to get run over by either car or motorbike.
careful
Such a dangerous place. Lots of construction.
Yes so you can go inside
Doing a lot of work.
have a nice color
You ready?
yeah
Let's go. So replacing all the tiles. He's got a team of workers. Study cup. Big tile. Floor tiles. Are they new?
yes yeah
Okay. I like the colour on the walls.
lovely
Yeah, so he's dropped the ceiling a bit and he's put some downlight. Do you want to turn them on, darling? The middle switch? Yeah, nice.
ไฟสวยด้วยห้องน้ำจะทำบ้าง
ก็ทำตรงนี้กับเปลี่ยนของผมมา
อ๋อเป็นสมัยแต่ตอนนี้ได้ทำบ้าง
ไม่ได้ท
All right. Okay. The bathroom. So what they just built put the downlight in and put a new ceiling. They didn't change any of the tiles. I was confused for a minute there because there's a door on the outside, but they walled it off on this side. We've got the door on that side, but it's a door to nowhere.
yes
The fake door.
fake door yeah
Yeah, I'll head upstairs.
it's nice color oil color
Yeah. I wonder where he saw that colour.
master bedroom
Master bedroom.
yes ห้องนอนใหญ่
So his house is pretty much the same size as ours, but it's slightly
Yes.
different configuration.
yes
The stairs look slightly different.
they didn't have the balcony no have balcony
They don't have a balcony,
Yeah.
and they have an extra front door downstairs.
yes
So he's going to be putting in new windows. Sorry, Cup?
ตัวละทำดีแล้วมัน
So Girls aren't afraid to do construction in Thailand. Yeah. Oh, sexy chandelier. Very nice. He's put all new skirting boards. There's the market over there. You can see their shop from here. Ta.
Yes.
You can see their shop from here.
The shop, his shop,
Yeah.
over there.
Yes, darling.
Yes.
Careful your hair. I think their eye.
There I.
That's pretty much it. So I think he's spending about his budget's about 300,000.
Yeah, budget about 300,000 baht. He paid for the labor for work. Cost about 100,000 baht, and 200,000 baht for buy the stuff.
Right, so it's 100,000 on the labour, so on all his workers,
Yes,
and
yes,
200,000 on parts and materials.
yes, yes.
Gang one. Yeah, it's nice.
Like plastic. The termites not attack.
Right, so all the skirting boards are plastic.
Yes. This one so you can paint the color you like.
Yeah. So in many areas of Thailand, they have problems with termites.
Yeah, this area, this our village a lot.
A lot of termites, this village.
Yeah.
Even our own house got attacked by termites when I was in Australia.
They eat the wardrobe.
Yeah, they ate the wardrobe.
Yeah, I have to. The neighbors come to help me to take it out.
We have the kitchen at the back. They painted the walls and put a new ceiling and put the downlights in the ceiling. And you'll see the difference between their kitchen area and ours. See, we have a door at the end there where we have storage under the storeroom, under the stairs. And they don't have any storage under the stairs in this house.
Yes.
Okay, so those tiles are for the outside. Nice. Sister-in-law lives just next door, so they've been living there while the renovation's going on. It's going to look really good when he's finished. They put a whole new carport on the front. Yeah, very nice, and more downlights. Oh, cool. I love the colour. Very similar to what we have in our bedroom. So we'll have to come back again when it's finished.
Yes.
So they'll put a gate here and a fence. Thais love to have a fence at the front of their house. And they're removing all the old tiles before they lay the new. It's quite common in Thailand for people just to lay the tiles on top of the old tiles.
There are some house they do like that.
Yeah.
That's not good, I think.
No, not the best way to do it.
Yeah.
So we'll let them keep working.
Yeah.
Gang Mark,
เก่งมาก
they're eating, and Bang wants me to come and do the video, but his wife's not happy. No, don't video me eating.
กินข้าว eating กินข้าว
Kin cow.
กินข้าวข้าวเหนียวกินข้าวโอ้หน่อไม้
Aloy, mate.
ก็คาเนาะอร่อย
มา
ค่ะ
มาข้าวมา
เอาเลยค่ะขอบคุณแม่เด็กๆไม่
Gang Mark.
ดูเมนู
อาหารบ้านๆเฮ้ยเก่งอะกินข้าว
Very
ทาน
nice.
เยอะ
เฮ้ยขอบคุณมากกินไม่เป็น
ๆอร่อยนะ
อร่อยเหรอค่ะ
เออ
เฮิร์บจะเฮิร์บ
Herb.
เออ
สมุนไพร
สมุนไพรเฮิร์บไทยเฮิร์บ
ชอบกินนี่มันจะเป็น
Nice.
เก่งอ่ะ
Who did the cooking? The bang?
ใครทำกับข้าวเนี่ย this wife
Oh.
of course the wife cooking
เขาอยากจะว่าจะกินอย่างนี้
What did you just say?
wife cooking
A wife cooks?
wife cook
I didn't know that.
you know that
ยอดมันนะยอดมันนะ
yeah or not I have to try this one
หัวมันเผ็ด
หัวมันเผ็ดไหม
this one hot
เอาถุงออกนั่นน่ะ
ทำไม่ได้ขอบคุณมาก
อยาก
งง
งง
สมุนไพรสมุน
หนู
ไพร
กินไม่เป็นอ่ะมันมันร้อนมัน
ลองเลย
มันเผ็ดมันเผ็ด
อ่ะมัน
ยิ่งเป็นหัวยิ่งเผ็ดเลย
So what's it called? Do you know?
กินนี่ยอดมันยอดมันกินนะเอาไปเลย
เอาคุณค่ะ
มันไม่เผ็ดนะมันจะหวานนะ
ยอดก็มันอร่อย
Aloy?
เว้ย
Yeah, I don't know what it is. Aloy.
15ครับ
We have to work now. Galanga?
กาลังกา
Okay.
กาลังกา Actually we cook with tom yum when Thai make a tom yum we put this but this one young so you can boil and eat with nam prik it's very good for health but I can't eat
For you. Oh, you're not healthy.
ไทยฮะมาจากฟาร์มเหรอ It's come from the farm
Oh, nice.
Hmm.
no chemical yeah
He just gave me some fish. That was Aloy.
yeah fish อร่อย
Aloy, Aloy.
ปลาทอดอร่อย
ตัวทอดอะไรตัวปลา
พ่อเกิดเฉย
ก็จะเกิด
yeah
เนี่ย
she's very good cook
Going Mark.
เดี๋ยวพาไปกินที่สุพรรณที่บ่อ
we will take you to eat at Supan
ไม่ใช่ปลาแถวนี้
จะปลาแบบนี้
ถ้าปลาที่บ่อมันจะไม่ขาวนะ
All right, let's go.
later
Shop doesn't really open until 4. But yeah, they work here most of the day actually. We're preparing all the vegetables and laying them all out. They eat their lunch here. They're up at, well, they leave home at 5 a.m. to go to the commercial market to buy all their produce. And certainly if people come along while they're here, they sell to them. They don't turn people away, obviously. But it's a very successful business.
เมียไม่ทำกับข้าว
This fish, Aloy, Aloy, it came from the farm.
from the farm yeah this one ตำถั่วตำ like the long bean ตำถั่วใช่ป่ะlong bean
Damtua.
ตำถั่ว is long bean ถั่วฝักยาว
Don't laugh at my Thai.
ถั่วฝักยาว long bean long bean
Very, very
อาหาร
tasty
มีประโย
meal.
ชน์
he said
พวกเนี่ยพวกปลา
food for health fish good
Wonderful. See, Bang's actually 70, but he doesn't look 70.
เขาบอกแบงค์จริงๆ70นะแต่จริงๆดูไม่เหมือน70โอ้ยเอาได้กันนะ
So you only look 62.
ดูเป็น62ไม่ใช่
Only Hock 6 on.
เกินแล้ว
It's pretty much like a ghost town during the day. As you would have seen if you've watched any of the other videos, this place just comes alive. There's people everywhere from about 3:30 really. All the covers they have on the vegetables, they're all wet, just to stop the vegetables from wilting in the heat. Just keep them fresh.
ของเรามันของมะนาววันนี้ใช่ไหมมันสดมันสามารถเก็บได้วัน2 วัน
สวยด้วยนะ
แต่ถ้าเก็บไม่ได้เราไปไม่ได้
Bamboo. I love bamboo. Gang bamboo. And some freaky looking mushroom.
กินมีความสุขจริง
She said you
ๆ
happy
เกิดมา
person
มีความสุขจริง
you born happy person
Really?
you say you happy person
Am I? Tell the truth.
tell the truth ก็บอกความจริงสิโอ๊ยเบื่อจะตายนะ
The meat shop delivery. So Bang's sister-in-law, they operate a little butchery here. They sell pork. And they've just come with a little pork on the back of the ute. Oh,
Hardcore.
delicate.
They are hardcore.
They are hardcore.
ขายมันนวลแล้วเนี่ยมันไม่ธรรมดา
It's okay. Like,
โอ้
oh, blood.
blood
Oh, Aroy.
อร่อย blood
Oh, tasty. Let me see. Drink it.
no drink จะ put in
Oh,
the
you're so
noodles
powerful.
โปเตโต้ไทยแลนด์
potato หัวใหญ่เนาะ
โปเตโต้ไทยแลนด์
แก้วอ่ะเฮ้ยมันแก้ว มันแจม
Yam.
โกหกไหมอ๋อ he said he lied to you potato he
I
said
know. I know. It's not man falang.
มันฝรั่งไม่ใช่มันฝรั่ง
Barbecue.
ไม่ต้องเกรงใจ
เออเป็น
he gave to you free he's a very generous person
Loong is so JD.
he gave us many time about free vegetable
บาร์บีคิว
barbecue he's a barbecue
บาร์บีคิว
But I already have. You already
อันนั้
gave
นมี
me.
แล้วอันนั้นมีแล้วให้แล้วไงเดี๋ยว
You already gave me corn.
ขอให้ไปแล้วนะ
ให้ไปแล้ว he said tell him
I call Bang Loong because Loong means uncle in
ขอบ
Thai.
คุณนะคะโอ้เก่ง
Loong's my uncle.
ไม่แกลุง uncle
Loong, uncle.
order so
Because he's older than me.
yeah we call the order then
Jet sip.
ไม่ใช่มันพากัน70
10ฟิตขนาดนี้ก็โอ้โห
Oh yeah.
เดี๋ยวต้องหาสมุนไพรไปกินแล้ว
ลาส
แบบ
มุนไพร so he said you need to give you about herb make you strong
เดี๋ยวสมุนไพร
make you strong you have to drink herb or eat herb make you healthy
Every time I go to visit Bang, I always go, and even if I don't want to buy anything, I just go and say hello every time I go to the market. Yesterday he gave me corn.
and banana
Oh yeah, and a lot of banana as well. He gave me so much banana I had to take some to Tar's work. So we've got banana over here. All the bananas are from his farm.
and today this one free
Yam.
jam
He's a very good friend. He can't help himself. Every time I go, he's got to give me something. We had a Canadian subscriber visit us just at our house just last week.
yes
And you see we're wearing new shirts.
yes
Thank you so much, Eric.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
And who else do we have to thank?
อ้าวนุ่น thank
No.
you
His girlfriend, his Thai girlfriend, actually
Yeah.
lives in our village.
yes
Oh, but wait. There's more. And 2 more couple shirts.
yes
So what does it say?
roots
Roots.
we love that
Yes,
we love it
we love Roots, yes.
we love root cross
Roots Canada. Very, very good quality.
yeah very good
Yes,
we
it's
love
lovely.
yes thank you
The
very much
maple leaf.
Oh.
Sorry, you don't get a maple leaf.
get here
Thank you so much,
thank you ขอบคุณ
Eric.
นะคะ
And-
Yes. and นุ่น thank you very much
Thanks, guys.
yes
Oh, yeah, one other thing we got is genuine Canadian maple syrup.
we should enjoy it
You don't even know what maple syrup is, do you? This is very sweet, syrupy, very, very Aroy.
really very
Aroy,
tasty
Aroy.
I like
So we'll put this on either ice cream or on pancakes.
wow
Yeah, looking forward to having this. Thanks so much.
thank you
Got ice cream sales just driving past. I'll show you some renovation that we've done to this house. Dal, I'm just going to talk about the renovation we did to our house. We put in an extra bedroom.
yeah
So, Dani's bedroom.
Dan bedroom
So that's our only renovation. Thanks for watching. You're so Jaide. And don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, click like. And if you loved it, subscribe. Take care.